वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक आमच्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर येवकार. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचो गोवन सांबार मसाला इन अ स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी. लोकांनी डिमांड केलो की 1 किलोचो इतलो व्यापार तांचे कडेन हाडपाक टायम ना, तर इल्लोसो पिठो करून दाखोवपाक म्हाका तेंच्यांनी एक विनंती केल्या. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता गोवन सांबार मसाला इन अ स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी. So here is the smaller quantity for Goan Sambhar Masala. So you need these are the ingredients what you need for a Goan Sambar. So this is around 50 Kashmiri chilies, and this is small chilies. In Goan you can get Gaunti chilies. So this is like Goan Gaunti chilies, small chilies. And but in your kitchen whatever is available you use that. Instead of, if you don't have a proper Kashmiri chilies, any chilies which will give you red color and any chilies which will give you a spiciness. So this is 50 and this is 20. Okay, so 20 of the spicy chili and 50 of this. Then we need around 20 peppercorns and 10 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of hing asafida. This is 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then this is star anise 1. दगड फूल पण म्हणतात तेका, व पात्री पण म्हणतात, पात्री न्हू, दगड फूल म्हणतात तेका. Then this is few grains of methi, fenugreek seeds. Then this is stone flower. It looks like tamarind, but this is a stone flower. So I've taken around like 1 tablespoon, you can say. Then we need fennel seeds 2 tablespoon. That is soft, badi shape. Then we need 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, amche jeere. Then this is you call it maize flour. Okay, patri munta teka ami, which is the most expensive spice. So this you take like one flower of that. Then this is nutmeg, xyphol. So half I have taken. Then this is 1 tablespoon of chana dal and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so these are this. Then here comes 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Amche rye. Then this is 5 tablespoon of coriander seeds, suki kothmir. Okay, these are 5 tablespoon, and these are few curry leaves. Curry leaves you can add less also, but if you want a flavor, then this is the quantity. And this is 2 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Okay, so poppy seeds give you more aroma to the masala. So it is called khaskhas, not couscous and not sesame seed. This is poppy seeds, khaskhas, KUS. Okay, this also is very expensive. So these are the ingredients what you need to okay, I missed here, I think. So this is masala elaichi also you need. Okay, I missed this while explaining. So 4 of this. So have a look this. कोंकणीन आनीक हांव सांगना, मातशें मसालो पळोवन घेयात आनी तुमकां हेजें कळटलें कितें कितें जाय पळय तें. English for all my UK and other Europe people, English is all I've already mentioned. in English. So these are the masalas you need to make our Goan Sambar Masala. So now we have to roast this one separately, okay, and on the low flame, and then grind to a fine powder. So let's do that, and then I will grind it to a fine powder and show it to you all. So let's start roasting our spices. See that it is on medium flame, and don't burn it. Just roast it so the excess of oil, excess of water will go out, and let it roast nicely, and then we have to grind it. And here is our masala after grinding to a fine powder. आमचो गोंयचो सांबाराचो मसालो जो पिठो तयार आसा.